carrot cake. The ingredients are sugar, vegetable oil, flour, carrots, eggs, baking powder and baking soda, pecan nuts, sour cream, vanilla, applesauce, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, salt and allspice. So first I'm gonna clean and grate the carrots. So now the carrots are done, I'm gonna chop the pecan nuts. So now I'm going to mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. So the flour, the baking soda, baking powder and the salt, and the spices. I'm gonna sift them together. So I'm gonna set this aside. So now I'm going to mix the wet ingredients, so the sugar, vegetable oil, vanilla, applesauce, the sour cream, and the eggs. So now I'm gonna mix this together. So when this is mixed, I'm gonna get the pecan nuts and mix them with the flour. And I'm gonna mix the rest of the dry mixture in with the wet mixture. So when that is mixed together, I'm gonna add the pecan nuts. And after that the carrots. So now I'm preheating the oven to 180 degrees and I'm gonna put some baking spray in my pans. And now I'm gonna divide my mixture over the pans. So now these are going to go into the oven for about 40 minutes. So now I'm going to let these cool down for a little bit and then I'm going to put them on a cake roaster. So now I'm going to let these cool down and make the cream cheese filling. So for the cream cheese frosting, I'm gonna mix 200 grams of margarine with 300 grams of cream cheese, 200 grams of powdered sugar and some vanilla. So now I'm going to assemble the cake. So when this is done, I'm gonna put it in the fridge to cool, and I'm gonna color the rest of the icing orange. So now I'm gonna pipe this on top of the cake. I got some Easter eggs. I'm gonna put those on the top. So this is the end result.